We've had these Livho blue light glasses in our house for almost a full year now, and they've been used pretty much every day. They started out as work glasses, but they quickly became the pair everybody grabbed because they're lightweight, they don't feel cheap, and after a year of daily handling, they still look almost brand new. One thing we didn't expect is how well they would hold up after being tossed around. I mean, these things have been in backpacks, on desks, in cars, even dropped a few times, and the hinges still open smoothly, and there's no flaking or peeling on the frames. We also picked up both color styles, the black and the clear, and honestly, the clear ones surprised us. They actually look good enough to wear out, not just in front of a laptop. If you want to switch up the look a little bit, both options feel like actual glasses, not novelty computer goggles. Now, the main reason we bought these was screen fatigue from long hours on laptops and tablets. When you wear these things during heavy screen time, the strain behind your eyes drops noticeably. Now, it's not instant magic, but after a few hours of working with them versus without them, you can definitely feel the difference. Now, another thing people always ask is whether or not the lenses have that deep yellow tint, and these don't. They block blue light, but the tint is subtle enough that you can even wear them during a video call without looking like you're filming a documentary. Now, if you're wondering about comfort, all-day use has never been a problem. The nose pads aren't stiff, and the frames don't squeeze the sides of your head like some of the cheaper pairs do. We've worn them through long work sessions without any pressure point issues. The biggest thing for us is they just do what they're supposed to do. Less strained, solid build, and after a year, they haven't stretched out or gotten loose like most lower-cost glasses eventually do. So for something that gets handled this much, the durability has been a real standout. So if you've been fighting screen fatigue, or you just want a pair you can wear every day without babying them, these have honestly been worth it for us. They've held up great, they look good, and they've made long screen sessions a lot easier. Definitely give them some consideration.